Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Ethereum right here on Bitstamp. The first thing that you need to do is create your account, verify your account, and then deposit money to your account so you can buy Ethereum. Then after that we click on Pro, and then right now we go to Trade, and now you will find here the chart. But this is the chart for Solana. So we click now right here on search symbols, and we search for Ethereum to US dollars right there. And now we are having here the Ethereum chart. Then what we're gonna do right now is click here on buy and then click on limit order. And then right now you want to fill in the limit price. So let's do 27.4. And then right now, this is the step in price. So when this price will hit or lower, then he will step in on that position. Then right now we fill in right here the amount of Ethereum. So we want to buy 1 Ethereum, and that is exactly the value of 27.4. And then right now we just need to click right here on buy Ethereum, and then we create our position on Ethereum. You can see right now that this button is not green, and that is because I don't have any money on this account. So if you deposit money to your account, this button will be greener, and then you can open your position on the Ethereum. So hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.